Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a wine glass at home. First, choose a clean, plain glass with a stem, ready for your creative touch. Next, gather your essential supplies: glass paint, a selection of brushes, and any stencils or painter's tape you might want to use for your design. Remember to lay down some newspaper or a drop cloth to protect your workspace from any accidental spills. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. Now let's get creative with your design. You can use painter's tape to achieve perfectly crisp lines or to section off areas for geometric patterns. For more intricate details or a personalized touch, consider applying stencils. These are great for monograms or small images. Don't be afraid to try some freehand painting too. It allows for truly unique artistic expression. Remember, there are no strict rules here, so have fun with it and let your imagination guide you. Once your design is ready, it's time to apply the paint. Use thin, even coats, allowing each layer to dry completely before adding the next. This usually takes about 1 to 2 hours, but always check your specific paint's instructions. For maximum durability and to make your design permanent, many glass paints require oven curing. Carefully follow the manufacturer's guidelines for temperature and baking time to ensure your beautiful new wine glass lasts for many years to come. After your paint has dried and cured, carefully remove any tape or stencils to reveal your finished design. It's important to let your newly decorated wine glass fully cure for at least 72 hours before its first use or wash. This ensures the paint is completely set and durable. For more great tips and to find deals on useful items like leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the link in the description below. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, making your daily routine much simpler.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.